Hello everybody, this is David Biazga Racing with the Budget Pro Mod channel. Hi, I'm just setting up my my Piston Rod Vise. Just got it in a little while ago, so I'm just gonna bust apart my my connecting rods because I'm just getting ready to do the rings and gap the rings, and so I'm going to test fit the rods. So the first stage is to break them apart, and then we can test fit stuff and we'll go from there. But today I'll just showing my the piston rod vise off. Let me see here. There's the box here. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it's right there. So it's a Proform, and it was about 150 bucks, I think. So anyways, I'll just set the camera up here, and then I'll pull the rods out. I'll bust some rods apart, and we'll see what happens from there. All right, here we go. You know, these are my R&R rods. They got L19 7/16 bolts in here. Alright, so here's the rod right here. And it's got R&R L19s, APRs. Hope you can see that. And that's my rod there, 6.385 with Hemi pin, which is 1095. Sorry. And this is their this is R&R's heavy duty nitrous rod slash power adder, I guess. So, and yeah, work. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'll just try it this way. Hopefully I have the right socket here. Confidant snug. Now the only modification I made to this was before I got it, I put a washer on here, a steel washer, and then I put some grease between there. Instead of having the pin come down and gouge into the nice billet aluminum, it's gouging into this little washer, and it's beveled enough so so this doesn't turn, but it turns on top of there with the grease. So that is one thing I would suggest people do if they get one of these. Alright, so just looking for my socket. Hopefully I got the right one. I do believe it is 7/16 12 point. Ooh, wee. That wasn't tight enough. I thought I had that tight enough. Well, my soft jaws are some plywood, so I don't want to gouge up my piece. So. All right, let's try this again. It's tightening. Okay, let's see if my little get up will work here. I might have to anchor this to something more permanent, but you know. I'm still. What? Alright, let's try this again. I don't know if I got it tight enough, probably not. And they are at 90 foot-pounds, so. Holy mother of pearl. We're gonna need some killer. Yeah, this is not gonna be strong enough, I don't think. All right, got her. It was a bit of a fight. But anyways, there, I'll just put the rod in here. Actually, I'll move it up just a bit. So you can see, I've already broke it loose. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. So I already broke it loose. And I'll just finish taking the bolts out here. Oops, just trying to get a comfortable position here. It's hard to film and do this at the same time. But yeah, these are 90 pounds, so yeah. It took a little bit of, I had to snipe my ratchet. I didn't have my right, I should have had a 1/2-inch drive here. But all my tools are at a different garage, or in storage. So, I gotta. But, I'd be disappointed if it was easy to take off. Alright, so you can see, there's the bolt, R&R, L19s, and of course the threads are, you know, dirty. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. Yeah, you can see it's pretty dirty, eh? The threads. So that's the other reason to take it apart, gotta clean them. But the biggest reason here is that we gotta start, focus, there we go. We just start to mock up the rods. But the biggest thing is I wanted to start breaking these rods apart. And get the pressure off them. Oh, they do too. I never noticed that. I gotta be careful here. I'll just turn this around a bit. And yeah, you can see these washers there. Hardened washers. So if you have aluminum rods, be mindful of that. I'm not sure if all aluminum rods are like that. If all companies do it, or if it's just an R&R thing. Alright. There we go. Let's see if we got focus there. So he's got the, I mean, you can see they're well oiled. And they got those circular machine cuts for centering. And there's your bearing tangs and all that. And then as you can see, there's that other thing I was talking about. Okay, so there's the bottom side. Oops. There you go. This is David Miazga Racing and Davphil Racing with the Budget Pro Mod channel. Have a nice day. Cheers.